Hello guys, it's time for your cryptocurrency report. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, 2019, and let's take a look at what's going on in the cryptocurrency world. First thing we're going to do is start the charts right here, and we're going to take a look at Bitcoin itself, Here's the thing, guys. The bears got caught with their pants down. We see this fall here, and they were selling their coins, the bears, and they thought they were going to make a lot of money, and they're probably rallying each other on, and everything else. Well, you know what? It bounced straight back in their face, and when they started selling their coins, the price was up around $39.70, and they sold all the way down to $38.50, and so they were selling these coins in the upper 3,000 range. Well, the price exploded back in their face, and now the price is over $4,000. You know what that means? It means these traders lost money. They don't like to lose money. So they got burnt a little bit. They got their fingers burnt with Bitcoin a little bit. This is the first time they've really, I think they've got their, well, let's go back and take a look here at the 12-hour chart. This is really, they don't get their fingers burnt very often, but they had their way with this market. If we go back to the 3-day chart, we can see this during this precipitous fall from $19,666. The bears pretty well had their way with this market, and they really had their way when it fell off from $6,000 all the way down to like $3,190. I mean, they really made a killing on this market. This water slide right here, this fell from 65.18 all the way down to 31.22. That's when they were really having their fun. Well, ever since then, Bitcoin went along sideways for a while. Now it's slowly starting to heat up again, and the bears are having a harder and harder time, and they're losing energy. And I think that they're losing their will to try to control this market anymore. It's starting to swing. It's starting to slowly swing toward a bullish market. And that has a lot to do with what the Fed's doing, what the Federal Reserve is doing. So now let's take a look here at this article. It says, strong bullish support sees Bitcoin climb back above $4,000. The last couple days have brought uncertainty into the market. After a weekend which Bitcoin played dead, seeing no price action, the week began with Bitcoin dropping below 4,000. Now, certainty has come back to the market, and the drop from the start of the week has been corrected. The last couple hours, fresh waves of green has swept the market and seen a majority of coins soar. Bitcoin is, at the time of this press release, soaring by more than just 3% and exchanging for $4,070. Well, it's still staying above $4,000. This was a test of the market, and she's passed, and, I know eventually it's going to go back into a bull market. The question is how many more buying opportunities are we going to get before she goes back into a bull market? I wasn't able to capitalize on this particular buying opportunity. Sad, but anyway, IEO Prime has had a fantastic debut. 1.5 billion tokens sold, and guess how long it took? 19 seconds. They sold 1.5 billion TOP tokens, sold 19 seconds. On Wednesday, March 27th, IEO announced that the first initial exchange offering, IEO, on its new token launch platform, IEO Prime, had gone extremely well with 1.5 billion top network tokens on offer, and all sold within just 19 seconds. Yeah, that's a hot coin. 19 seconds, that's amazing to sell that many. Now, with further cryptocurrency news, we're going to take a look here. How do I get off this page? I hate pop-up pages. Martin Weiss has launched a crypto rating service. Weiss Crypto Ratings, a division of Weiss Ratings LLC, launched a comprehensive report on emerging trends within the cryptocurrency market, assigning top letter grades to coins with the best combination of adoption and technology, indicating a high likelihood of long-term success. Despite lower prices in early 2018, our ratings model gives us hard evidence that a critical segment of the cryptocurrency industry has enjoyed remarkable growth in user transaction volume, network capacity, and network security. See, it's just like I said. This thing is growing. Even while it's in a bear market, it's growing. Can you imagine what it's going to do when the next bull market comes? Seriously. It says, equally important is our finding that these improvements often powered an evolution in the underlying technology, says Weiss. Therefore, those willing to take the risks at the best time to invest the best time to invest could be very near. Well, you know, the best time to invest actually might be now. You know, I mean, this market really seriously could take off at any time. The Weiss crypto ratings are based on two separate grades. Technical adoption grade for long-term investors and risk-reward grade based on short-term factors. Focusing strictly on the former, Weiss finds that XRP, managed by Ripple, is the best position to compete with SWIFT, the global network for interbank money transfers. EOS is currently the leading cryptocurrency, challenging Ethereum to become the backbone of the new internet. You know, that sounds awfully good to me, guys. EOS sounds awfully good to me. I think I want a few of those. Serious. I don't have any. I think I got 4 of them. I want a few. I'd like to have at least maybe 20 of them. EOS coins. Bitcoin, he says, is upgraded with the rolled out Lightning Network. It is the best position to become a popular store of value for savers and investors. This is just what I've been saying. It's exactly what he's saying. I don't think Bitcoin is really... I think the price is going to go so high in the end that people are not going to use it for making day-to-day transactions. In fact, I think we're going to see the network dwindle in the amount of transactions. People are going to use it to save. It's going to be the new savings moving on into the next century. It's going to be savings. Ethereum, he says, is the most widely used smart contract platform, but currently faces difficulties with scaling. He gives it an A-. Cardano aims to provide the most advanced smart contract capabilities, monetary policy, and governance. A grade B+. You know, I would kind of switch that around if it was me writing this report. I'd say that Cardano has an A-, and I would give Ethereum a B+. Also making the 10 list for technology adoption are Steem, Neo, Stellar, Zcash, and BitShares. Where's Litecoin? Come on, get with it, guys. Where's Litecoin? I love Litecoin. I love Litecoin. I think it's going to become like a mini-me to Bitcoin. Okay, you know, like in the movies, you know, with mini-me, you know. Anyway, never mind. So let's move on here and let's talk about a coin that is a little bit of a sleeper right now, and it might be something you might want to look at. Dash. Dash has got this new evolution wallet. Let's go back to Martin Weiss just for a second. You know what he says down here? He says, where do I find it? He talks about killer apps right here. Killer apps, decentralized applications will play the biggest role in determining the future winners. You know, examples include decentralized crypto-based social media, peer-to-peer lending, and fair, secure elections. These killer apps, this is going to make a big difference. And so that's what we're going to talk about right here with Dash. Dash has been working on this for a long time, but they're getting it close. It's called the Evolution Wallet for Dash. And it's going to be like a part social media wallet, part savings wallet, being able to transfer your Dash. Dash has got it's got a capability to do many transactions very, very quickly. It's really a smooth coin. It's an excellent coin, and the price is really down low. You know, I remember Dash, I think it went up to like, was it $700 or something last time around? And now what's the price on Dash right now? Where is my cryptocurrency market cap? Let's take a look here. And go down and take a look at Dash. Where is she? Here she is right here. 93 bucks. So you can get a Dash right now for under 100 bucks. You know, and how high did they go? Well, let's just take a look. Let's click on Dash. Let's go back on the charts here and see how high they went at one time. I know they were really high at one time. Really high price. We're looking at price. When they were up on this big mountain. Price, US dollars. $1,541 per coin they went up to at one time. Is that what I'm reading there? Yeah, it says $1,541.99. 0.08 Bitcoin at one time when things were going good, you know. Back on December 20th, 2017. Okay, December 20th, 2017 on a Wednesday. US dollars, they were $1,541 per coin. Well, right now they're under 100 bucks per coin. Now they get this new Evolution wallet coming out. It's going to be a really killer social app, you know. It's a wallet where you can put all your friends on it and just send them money by clicking on your friend's face, I guess, from what I understand. So what the wallet's going to do, this new Dash wallet is, it's going to have a front end and it's going to have a back end. And in the front end, it's going to be really easy to use. You just like click on one mouse click, and you've sent your money. And what you do is on the back end of the wallet, it's where all the addresses and everything. The wallet's going to be doing all the addresses and stuff in the back end of the wallet where you can't see. So all the technical stuff is going to be done in the back end of the wallet, where the front end is going to be very simplified. So even grandma will know how to use cryptocurrencies. Very interesting, you know. And Dash can be had for, and they had a high price there, $1,541. Of course, that was during the high. That's back when Bitcoin was 20,000, you know. They've come down a long way, though. They're only about, what, 1/15th? Less than 1/15th the price, 1/16th or 1/17th the price, where Bitcoin is still about 1/5 or something like that. So the ratio of dropping has been lower than Bitcoin. So that's a coin I would look at. I like the EOS too. It's two coins I'm really looking at right now, keeping my eye on. Listen, thank you guys for listening to this market report, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye, guys.